Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video we are going to learn how to use less mobile data on Instagram. So basically when we just scroll all the reels and just see the stories over Instagram, it will use just a lot of data over here. So in order to just make sure that the data is not being just wasting or just not being just going out of the hand, and then you can just save that data for just using to the other things. So how we can do that? So for that you have to go to your settings over here, and over here click on three lines and get into the settings. In settings you have to just go to the accounts over here, and at the bottom you can see over here that there's an option for cellular data usage. You have to just click on that, and you have to just click on the data saver. You can see over here when data saver is turned on, we do want to load in advance to help you use less data, which means once you just juggle this on, the video that on the reels or on the stories will not be just play automatically, and this will just save your data and you can use that data for many other things. So that's all for this video. I hope this video was a great help to you. If you find this video helpful, please do share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching the video. Have a nice day.